Bridges are not designed to live forever, and they sustain a lot of fatigue loads over their lifetime. Big part of existing infrastructure has already reached or even exceeded its design lifetime. So we need intelligent ways to make sure that maintenance is done in the right time. And with our technology, we can help engineers optimize their assessment and make sure that maintenance is done in the right place in the right time. My name is Panagiotis Martakis, and I'm the founder and CEO of Irmos Technologies. We build sensors that detect mechanical properties like displacements, vibrations, strains, and then our technology, our software, translates this information into stiffness, traffic loads, and further information that can be used for proper diagnostics of the structural integrity of existing bridges. Our technology provides a diagnostic tool like a stethoscope or maybe a blood test. Bridges are the patients and they go to the doctor, the engineer. Our tools, engineers, can make more reliable diagnosis and make sure that risks are reduced or that medicines are not given without a reason. Student projects have supported us a lot at the very beginning by giving us the tools to build the first prototype of our technology. We have a fantastic team that combines different disciplines. We have software engineers, hardware engineers, we have structural engineers, and people with a business background to make sure that our technology can be also properly commercialized. Our solution is used in Switzerland, in Germany, in Greece, and has been piloted already in the United States. And we have plans for expanding our operations already in 2026 in further countries.